Hi, I'm Mo from Go Play Sandwell. Welcome to another Super Sundays activity. Today's activity is we're going to create a certificate, and it's called a Lockdown Legend Certificate. This is for anybody who's helped you during lockdown. It's been a difficult time, so it can be for anybody who's made you smile, kept you happy and safe. So it can be for maybe a teacher, maybe a relative or a friend. And all you need for today's certificate are some crayons, pens, pencils, whatever you've got, a tone, a ruler, and some white card or paper. I've already done one earlier for you, and all I want to do at the top is you write down Lockdown Legend, and then you can decorate the certificate with anything you want to. I've put some music notes at the top, music notes at the bottom, a flower, some dotty art, and then a little picture of myself, believe it or not. And then we've got some lines, and on those lines we're going to write who it's for and why. So this certificate recognises my mum, and the reason why it recognises my mum is because she's kept me safe. She's helped me with my schoolwork during lockdown. She's given me lots and lots of love when I've been sad, and she's made me smile. So this is very, very special for my mum, and I've put "You are a lockdown legend, thank you." So there you go. Once you've done that, you can then give it to your friend, your family or your teacher and say thank you, and hope you enjoy creating your own certificates.